Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about plumbing problems with compression copper fittings. Now when it comes to these copper fittings, the most common problem is people tighten them way too tight and actually damage the inside ring. These inside rings is what creates the compression that is put onto the pipe. So you take your nut, you put it on to your pipe, then you take this ring, slide it right over your pipe. Now when you push it into here, this has a bevel on it, so it actually takes and pushes it really tight into the housing of your valve or your connector. What happens is people tighten this too tight and it creates a misshapen ring and actually will allow water to flow out of it. A lot of people will see this and be like, oh, you know, it won't hurt anything to tighten it as tight as I can get it, but it actually will. You want to make sure that when you're putting it on there, you don't crank it too tight to where it completely stops moving. You just want to give it about a full turn, and that'll seat that little ring in there and you won't have any leaks. Another problem with compression fittings is that ring is only meant for one-time use. So let's say you have to get in here to fix something. You take this nut off, pull your pipe out. Now you're going to go to the store and have to get another ring, because this ring will not compress twice without giving you some problems. A lot of people don't realize this. They go ahead and put everything back together with the same old ring. They end up having problems with it. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.